Hey guys, this is Thomas from freewithsocial.com, and in this video I'll show you how to make Facebook post visible to a specific friend. Want your Facebook post to be visible only to a specific Facebook friend? You can easily do it. Just follow these steps and you will learn how it's done. Open Facebook app and log into your Facebook profile. Tap on the profile icon at the top of your screen and go to your profile page. Find the post which visibility you would like to change, and click on three dot icon at the top right. Select Edit Privacy from the menu. Click on See More and tap on Specific Friends. Now choose which friends can view this post. That's how it's done. I hope this guide was helpful and you're able to make Facebook posts visible to a specific friend. Don't forget to like this video and visit us at freewithsocial.com.